That's a weak point, cracked right there. Apparently this whole piece comes off with the plate. So I'm gonna see if I can go get a replacement. I really need a backup leak detector because it's my only one. All right, so here's our field piece. We took off the back. You got to take the whole thing off because we broke the tip there. That's a weak point. It's just like a plastic piece, but if that breaks off, you're screwed. And I've heard others say that they break it the same way. This is the part that you can get. There's the model number. Looks like it does not come with screws, so don't lose the screws that you get on the old one. So we're gonna pop those out. Nope. Yeah, it doesn't come with screws, so let me try and get those out. All right, so there's the screws. They all come with these little gaskets there, and you just got to make sure that you, because they're on there kind of tight, you tug them or pull on them as you unscrew it. That helped me out. Now we're gonna put the new one. Now the sensor and everything is in the body. I already asked, just in case. This is really just a way to connect the lighted tip, and I don't know if there's anything else. Maybe we can open the old one. I don't want to mess up the new one, so let's just get this back on. And there you go. Brand new wand. And I can get back to leak searching because I've needed this and I do not have a backup. I need to get myself a backup. So now, so like I said, this whole thing is one piece. And what's inside? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So your connection makes or terminates here on that little board there, and then you're going to basically connect it to the body of the leak detector. So this is nothing at all to do with the sensor. Your tube is the sniffer. Obviously your filter, this part is your filter. So this is the part that you can replace. It has a filter in it. If you get it wet or contaminated, you can change those out. This part that it connects to is the part that broke. And then all this is just when it sniffs, it's the tube that goes back to the body. And this is probably just for the light. And I do have to say, I've never hit it hard. I've never slammed it. I think Kurt on nights said that he's slammed it in the door or something like that. I've never actually done that. This is just normal wear, probably how hot my van gets, because with plastic and things like that, they're gonna get brittle. I've had this probably for a year or two, going on two maybe. And a lot of the times when I'm doing my leak search, I might tap it against, you know, the coil or something like that, and or rub it around if I'm not too careful and I accidentally come in contact with something. But like I've never hit it hard enough to break it like that. It just uh, I think when I was tapping it to get when I got a hit on something, it started to break halfway, and then it just kind of like eventually came off. So just this is just normal wear and tear. I mean, it sucks to see that. Like I said, this is just a weak point, but you have the option, or now you know you have the option to just get this piece, and it's a reasonable um, price, you know.
Luckily enough, I found it, and it was what I would describe as an affordable repair that you can do yourself versus trying to get it done in or out of warranty, dealing with that whole thing. You can order the wand, you can get it quick, you can replace it. It's 3 screws. Don't lose them. Transfer over the 3 screws, and put in the new wand. And like Mike said, 5-minute repair. So I'm glad that it helped you and a couple others that talked to me and hit me up. So hopefully this helped. Personally, I've had good luck with this leak detector. I am trying to get a backup once I figure out which one to go with. That way, if this happens again, I have something else, because I was without a leak detector for like a week or two. And then also just to kind of like, see how well it does. Because like I said, I've had good luck with it. Some people have had issues with it. I feel like every person is different, unfortunately, and every leak detector, some people, like any brand, some people love it, some people hate it. I can't tell you one that's a definite, recommendation. It's just I've used a couple of infrareds. I've had good luck with them. Hillmore was a good one. This one has been good to me. And then my old D-Tech, which was the old school that took the D batteries, heated diode. Don't remember the name of it off the top of my head, if there's a full name to it, but I've had good luck with all of them. Even Elitech. I got Elitech. I gave it to one of my guys. He said it works fine. Picked up a whole bunch of leaks. So it is what it is. So this is I don't want to make it too long. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful. And yeah, if you guys have any comments, if you guys use this leak detector and like it or hate it, let me know in the comments. If this has happened to you, let me know in the comments. Maybe that's why you're finding this video. But appreciate you guys for tuning in and checking out this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.